Okay guys, bit of a drive along the Bass Highway today to the northwest side of Tassie, and come across this little place called Stanley. Pretty popular one, I think. There was a $10 camp at the golf club there, but it's pretty crowded in there, so a little bit dear, but for 40 bucks for an unpowered site, we've got our own beach, so we're not complaining. That's pretty good, and it's got all the camp kitchens, and there's actually a baby wash thing and that in there, everything, so that'll come in real handy for us, for Abigail. But yeah, gonna just kick about here for a night or so and see what it all brings. There is a little peninsula mount thing up behind me here. They call it the Nut, I think it is. There's a chairlift up to it, I think. I haven't read too much on it, but yeah, might go for a bit of a look at that, and definitely do a sunrise tomorrow morning. I reckon it'll be beautiful looking if it's clear enough. So anyway, we'll settle in here for the afternoon and see what comes along our way. Alright, nice little beach just outside camp here, like literally a 20-second walk and I'm on the beach. So we decided to stay an extra night. Like, how can you not? Such a good spot. Don't know what the weather's even doing tomorrow, but we'll hang around the town here and have a look. And that's called, up behind me there, that's called the Nut. There is a chairlift up there, so I'll probably go do that tomorrow. And just over here, where I'm pointing, is a lobster shack seafood place. So definitely going to go give that a look and a bit of a try out. But yeah, water's not too bad. It's cold, but it's not freezing, and it's not real deep out here either. So hopefully it's a decent day tomorrow, and we can get Abigail a bit of a swim too. But yeah, highly recommend this spot. Okay guys, nice cruisy morning. Just caught up on some house duties in the van, cleaned it up a bit, got ourselves back on track. Girls are just having a bit of a lazy one there this morning. I'm going to go and attempt the Nut. Okay, so it's a little crater, volcanic crater or something that sits on the point here of Stanley. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's got a chairlift, so I reckon I'm going to take the easy way out and get the chairlift up and check out these views. A little bit of an overcast day today, but doesn't matter, it's just awesome up here, so we'll go check it out. Alright, we are on the chairs and up we head. I'm not real great with heights, but it's not too bad. Should be some really good views up here, I reckon. Alright, that was a nice little chair lift up, made it nice and quick for me. So it's 2 k's around, about 45 minutes. There's a bit of a look out on the way out here, but yeah, we'll get up here and have a look. Alright, that's the nut walking ring done. Even though I cheated to go up and down the chairlift, still is a bit of a walk, eh? So definitely recommend to do it clockwise. I did cheat a little bit and read that on Wikicamps. Everyone sort of said go clockwise, you don't have to do as many steps. They were definitely right. It was just most of it was downhill and a couple of little hills. But I think it's about time I went and checked out one of these pubs here. So I'm gonna go and have myself a beer. Alright guys, what time is it?
Seafood time.
Seafood time. Anyway, we just had a pretty crazy afternoon after I'd done the nut loop walk up there today. Treated ourselves to a curried scallop pie. Hey, it was good. So anyway, we're going to go over and have a look at this seafood restaurant and just get a bit of takeaway. I think lobster might be on the cards. But we'll see how much money Rita's got. Because it's her shout. Oh. Let's go do it. You just reckon? Good spot or what? Got some friends?
Got some friends.
Okay guys, just made our way from Stanley this morning. Got away a little bit earlier than normal. And we just made our way down to Arthur River, edge of the world we're at the minute. So it's going to be pretty windy there, but I will throw the camera around and show you a look. So I think the theory behind this is there's nothing from here to Africa, or I think that's how it works. Anyway, we'll go check the lookout out. Alright, the limit for the ferry is 9 metres. I did sort of know that before I come. Didn't have a tape measure to check. Thought we'd be under, as the whole total length of the car is only about 10.5. We're at 8 metres axle to axle, so heaps of room. So we're going to get a ticket and have a beer here and at the pub and have a relax for a minute and make our way into Strahan. What's going on, Rita? How come you got the pillow in front of you?
No comment.
Don't you like ferries?
No.
Don't you like boats?
I don't like being at.
I think Abigail likes them.
Because I've blackmailed her.
Did I stitch you up?
You stitched me.
Ah, well. Just think of it. Nice wilderness area. Okay guys, bit of a rainy, gloomy day today, but we are going on a Gordon River cruise. So booked that a few days ago. Just keep that in mind if you're down here. Definitely get ahead, because it is pretty busy down here. Anyway, we've got that booked for today, and we'll get on soon, and we'll be back at about, what, 3 o'clock?
About 3.
3? Yeah, cool. Righto, we'll go get into it and show you what it's all about. Okay, that was the Gordon River cruise. Highly recommend that. That was just, yeah, absolutely amazing, wasn't it?
Sure was.
Yeah, crazy. Had a little spot there for Abigail. It was just a nice little lounge area and stuff. So, yeah, absolutely loved it. But yeah, we're just going to settle into the van this afternoon. Have a bit of probably a bit of a sleep, I reckon. A bit of a relaxing one, and then tomorrow I might go and hit the Henty Dunes and have a bit of a cruise up around there and have a look. So, yeah, nice, quiet, cruisy one this afternoon. Soft in a few spots here, but yeah, nice drive. As far as tyre pressures, we're just down to 20 psi, so if it does get a little bit too soft I can always go down a bit further, down to 16 or something. But yeah, just keeping it sort of on the hammer. It is a little bit soft in spots, so you can see where people have been sinking in and stuff like that too. So, yeah, no, nice beach drive, eh? I didn't realise it was this sort of good, but pretty lucky with the weather today and how it is. It's never normally like this, I don't think. We're pretty lucky to get this day today, so I thought I'd get out here and definitely make the most of it. I just come across probably a showstopper here. I was going to try and make it up to the Henty River there, but yeah, I'm not going to be able to cross this one, not by myself anyway. We'll go check it out. Yeah, definitely not going to be able to get across that even close to the ocean. I'm not risking my car just to get across that. Probably got to get back too, so yeah, that'll probably do us for today. I think I don't be driving too much further, so I'll swing back around and yeah, cruise back down and out of here. Nice little drive. Alright guys, we are back at the beach again. Third time for me today, but it's too good out here not to resist. We're coming out here for a bit of a sunset, so I reckon we're going to get a cracker tonight. There's not much cloud about and it's pretty clear, so might even see them aurora lights maybe tonight, I don't know. It's a pretty clear one, so we'll see how we go. We have got a bit of pizza on board. Got a local pizza. Ooh, the garlic bread, so that's going to be us for tonight. Get a can of Canadian out and yeah, enjoy the sunset. So it's been an awesome time here at Strahan. Highly recommend coming here for a few days and checking out all the places, and yeah, enjoy it while you're here. What do you reckon, guys? Pretty good or what? Hey? How's that? Don't get much better. Abigail's more interested in the food, but I don't blame her. Pizza's good too. Ooh. What do you reckon? Terrible spot to have dinner?
What do you think?
We can handle that, can't we? Someone doesn't want to eat, but anyway, as long as she's watching the sunset, eh? Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Join us in our final video as we head over to the east coast and check out the Bay of Fires. We also go on another boat ride, and I scare Rita with a drive up Jacob's Ladder. Cheers, and we'll see you next time.